Today you'll take your quiz for Section 3-2 in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, the date, and your class period at the top of the page. The first section of your quiz is true and false. Put a T for true and F for false. Number 1. The pilgrims who came to America on the Mayflower were Puritans. Number 2. The Pilgrims founded Jamestown. Number 3. A group of Puritans led by John Winthrop established the Massachusetts Bay Colony in 1630. Number 4. A lack of religious tolerance by the Puritans led to the formation of colonies elsewhere. Number 5. The outcome of King Philip's War enabled colonists to move into Native American territories. The next section is multiple choice. Choose the answer that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 6. Protestants who wanted to reform the Anglican Church were called what? Were they called A. Catholics, B. Protestant Reformers, C. Puritans, or D. Separatists? Number 7. The Mayflower Compact was what? Was it A. a pledge to obey the laws of the colony, B. a promise to keep peace with Native Americans, C. a pledge to the other colonies, or D. a religious loyalty contract? Number 8. The Pilgrims survived in Plymouth due to the help of who? Was it A. the Anglican Church that helped them, B. Captain John Smith, C. King James II, or D. Squanto and Samoset? Number 9. The first written constitution in America was what? Was it A. the Fundamental Orders of Connecticut? Was it B. the Mayflower Compact? Was it C. the Plymouth Pledge? Or D. the Virginia Compact? Number 10. Where in America was religious tolerance first practiced? Was that A. in Boston, B. in Cape Cod, C. in Plymouth, or D. in Rhode Island?